So in this Expedia tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to search for hotels with breakfast included here on the Expedia application. So the first thing you have to do is open up Expedia. Once you're done, I want you to go to the top left here, so make sure the home tab or the search bar is selected, then press on stays. Now for this demonstration, I'm just going to go ahead and use New York City as an example, then go to the bottom and press on search. Now once you're here, if you want to sort of go to the filters tab where you can find hotels with breakfast included, make sure where it says popular, price, guest rating, etc. Slide this to the far right here, press on the far left where this drop down is, where it says sort of filter. Then where it says filter by, popular filters would be 5 stars, hotel, wonderful, etc. Make sure hotel is checked, and you want to make sure that breakfast included is checked. And then once that is done, go to the bottom and press on done. Now what you're going to be seeing right here for your search options are hotels that include breakfast on the Expedia application. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to search for hotels with breakfast included on Expedia. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.